Pause 3 seconds for the intro image to settle. Welcome to our ultimate visual showcase, a comprehensive and detailed review of an iconic Australian classic, the 1999 Holden VT Calais in its stunning Berlina Red Metallic paintwork. Our journey begins with the car's commanding presence, captured in a pristine, minimalist white studio that allows every curve and line to speak for itself. Let's first appreciate its stance from the classic front three-quarter angle, where the sleek lines of the bonnet flow seamlessly into that iconic Holden grille and clear lens headlights, all finished in that deep, lustrous red metallic that defines its era. Pause 2 seconds. Moving around to the rear three-quarter view, we see the distinctive, rounded rear end design of the VT generation, the boot lid S-shape, the red and clear tail light clusters, and the integrated bumper, all perfectly showcasing the car's balanced proportions and elegant silhouette. Pause 2 seconds. The side profile shot strips everything back to pure design, revealing the long, clean body line that runs from headlight to tail light, the signature shape of the VT Commodore, a true design icon of the late 90s. Pause 2 seconds. Coming in close to the front end, we examine the details, the chrome-accented grille with the proud Holden lion emblem, the crystal-clear headlight casings, and the subtle contours of the bumper, all pristine and perfectly preserved. Pause 2 seconds. At the rear, our close-up focuses on the branding and lighting, the Calais script badge, the Holden logo, and the clean, period-correct number plate, CAL-AIS 99, framed by the detailed lenses of the tail lights. Pause 2 seconds. Details matter, so we look at the alloy wheels, a classic multi-spoke design of the period, the tire tread, and how they sit within the wheel arch, complementing the car's sporty yet luxurious Calais character. Pause 2 seconds. Now, let us step inside. From the back seat, we take in the full dashboard, a hallmark of 90s Holden design with its digital instrument cluster, the center console, and the driver-focused layout that felt so modern at the time. Pause 2 seconds. Sliding into the driver's seat, this is the perspective that matters. We see the leather-wrapped steering wheel with its logo, the clear digital readouts of the instrument cluster, and the ergonomic placement of controls, an interface designed for the driver. Pause 2 seconds. The interior's quality is evident in the close-up of the front seats, showing the gray leather upholstery, the detailed stitching, and the Calais embossing, a mark of its premium positioning in the VT range. Pause 2 seconds. And here's a closer look at the steering wheel itself, the main point of contact, its design, stitching, and the tactile feel it promises, central to the driving experience. Pause 2 seconds. Moving to the mechanical heart, with the bonnet open and the car raised in a clean workshop, we see the engine bay. This is the power plant that propelled the Calais, a clean and orderly arrangement of the V6 or optional V8 engine, air intake, and all ancillary components, representing the engineering of its day. Pause 3 seconds. Practicality is key, so we also view the boot space, the carpeted trunk area showing its capacity for luggage, a reminder that this is a Grand Tourer built for comfort and long journeys. Pause 2 seconds. From above, a bird's eye view gives us a unique perspective of the car's entire footprint, the sunroof if fitted, and the overall layout on the studio floor, emphasizing its size and shape. Pause 2 seconds. For a more dynamic feel, this low-angle shot emphasizes the car's road presence and aggressive stance, making it look ready for the open road. Pause 2 seconds. Here, with the driver's door wide open, we get an inviting look at the fusion of exterior style and interior comfort, a seamless transition from outside to in. Pause 2 seconds. As dusk falls in our studio, we see the car with its headlights illuminated, the glow reflecting on the white floor, bringing its face to life just as it would on a night drive. Pause 2 seconds. Inside again, we focus on the center console, the gear shifter, the handbrake, and the secondary controls, the functional hub of the vehicle's interior operations. Pause 3 seconds now. For a true technical perspective, the car is elevated on a hoist. This detailed undercarriage view reveals the exhaust system, the suspension geometry, the differential, and the inner workings of the chassis and brakes, the hidden engineering that defines its ride and handling. Pause 3 seconds. In a moment of artistic reflection, we see the car's elegant rear mirrored perfectly in the pristine studio floor, a symmetrical image highlighting its clean design lines. Pause 3 seconds and finally, we end with our hero shot. The entire 1999 Holden VT Calais, Berlina Red Metallic, number plate CAL-AIS 99, perfectly centered and showcased in the infinite white space. This is the complete picture of an Australian automotive legend, from every angle, inside and out, in stunning, ultra-realistic 8K detail. Thank you for joining this detailed visual tour.